spitting at you, Mommy. I'm just gonna warn you.
5 bags.
Like damn, she in her mood. She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. She in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She in her mood.
Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another vlog. It is a little later in the afternoon. I usually vlog in the mornings, but this morning has been crazy. Like the baby had a doctor's appointment. We did our weekly Spanish class this morning, and of course the kids had school, so I had to get up, get them to school. I had to go to Walmart to go pick up Fatty's new pair of glasses that he just got. So it's just been kind of non-stop go all morning, so I haven't even really had a chance to catch my breath. So I'm back home. Baby's doctor's appointment went okay. So y'all remember last week I was telling you, well, it might have been 2 weeks ago, regardless, I was telling you that she had to go in to see the dermatologist because she has this like little raised area right here in between her forehead, in between her eyebrows on her forehead. And I wasn't really sure what it was. Her primary pediatrician said that it could be a cyst, but when I went to the dermatologist today, they said that it is possibly, let me look it up, hold on. Okay, so he said that it's possibly something called lipoma, which is where it's like a collection of fatty tissue underneath the skin, and it can cause that. He said that as long as it's asymptomatic and it's not getting bigger, like it's not bothering her or anything like that, he doesn't recommend doing anything about it. But if it does start to get bigger, then they can do surgery to have it removed, but it's not anything that really needs to be addressed. So we just gonna leave it alone, honestly. So that's good news. What we're doing today is we're getting ready for Halloween. We're just kind of ramping up for Halloween. So I went to Dollar Tree. If you have not already been to Dollar Tree, it's already too late. You already too late. Everything's gone. It's empty. I got the kids their buckets for trick-or-treating. I thought these were so cute. Okay, I had to kick a kid out because she was trying to sneak and peek. I also got a little bit of decorations. So I do this thing every year with my kids. I started it during COVID because at the time nobody was really going out. Trick-or-treating was canceled. I started doing this thing where I decorate the house. Like I send the kids upstairs. We put on a spooky movie for them. When I say spooky, I mean kid spooky, like Hocus Pocus. So we put on a spooky movie for them. Me and my husband come downstairs and we decorate the whole house. Like basically set it up to where it's a haunted house. The fog machine, red uplighting, streamers, just spooky decorations. Like we really do it up. And then we'll turn on like some spooky music. Like we'll find like one of those videos on YouTube where it's just like spooky sounds, haunted house noises, that sort of thing. We put that on, like kind of playing a little bit low in the background. And then we just kind of do a couple of spooky things. Like one year I hid a baby doll in the pantry and like left the door cracked a little bit. And I put my phone in the back of the baby doll's dress. And then I had this video from YouTube playing on there, and it was like a little girl talking, and she's like, come play with me, come find me. Like it was just real creepy. And I put a lamp right behind her so that it was just like light was illuminating a little bit, but I dimmed it way down so you could barely see it. Spooky as hell. For the kids anyway. And then we basically turn the house into a haunted house. And then we scatter candy everywhere and we hide candy throughout the house. And then we give the kids flashlights and then they have to go through the house using their flashlights to find the candy. And it's called a candy hunt. So not hunt, H-U-N-T, but haunt, H-A-U-N-T. So I'm not like a big Halloween girl. Like I do Halloween a little bit, but like I don't like do decorations outside or like go all out or anything like that. We do the fun stuff for the kids, and that's pretty much it. So I don't keep my decorations up, so I'm not spending a lot of money on the decorations. We usually go to Dollar Tree to get our stuff. So the kids are right in the other room and I don't want them to hear what I got, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. So basically I'm gonna try to stick this part under a door so it looks like it's coming out from under the door. You get the vibes. Our back door is glass, so I'm going to probably put that on the glass door so it looks like something's looking in. Can you see that? So these actually get hung on our ceiling fan, and we turn the ceiling fan on low so it flies. These will also be going on the back door. That's a few of them. Yeah. So basically, I just get a collection of decorations. Each year I get it, you know, whatever they have in stock at Dollar Tree that looks good, I get that. I keep it for the next year. Get out! Go! Get!
Sorry.
You trying to ruin this surprise. Can't do nothing nice for your kids. Okay, I'm gonna go put this stuff back in the garage. I'll be right back. So I also wanted to tell you guys about Oriental Trading. If you have not checked out Oriental Trading, just do it. Okay, so here's their little catalog. Not sponsored, by the way. They always have like a bunch of holiday themed stuff. So right now they have Halloween and Thanksgiving, breast cancer awareness, anything that is like based on the holidays. I started really shopping on Oriental Trading when I had the daycare, but now I got 3 kids. I still use them because I basically have my own daycare. They actually sent me 2 separate $20 gift cards. Why, I don't know. It wasn't PR. It didn't have anything to do with my YouTube channel. It didn't have anything to do with Glam Event Rental. I don't know. They just sent it to me. Maybe because I shopped with them before. It was probably just, you know, promotions or whatever. So I used the gift cards that they sent me to order the kids Halloween stuff for their classroom. So this was the first thing that I got. These are gummies. I can't remember how much they were, but they were really inexpensive. I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. 5 packs. Guess how much I paid? $1.50. So that was after the $20 gift card. They were already on sale. And then I used the $20 gift card that they sent me. And they have, you can't really tell. So they also melted during delivery because they got delivered during the time that Texas was having its heat wave. But I believe what it's supposed to be is, these are supposed to be brains. These, I believe, are supposed to be intestines. This is supposed to be a heart. Or no. Okay, I'm getting my body parts mixed up. This is the heart, actually. Focus, focus, focus. Sorry. This is the heart. And these are the lungs. That's what's going on. Okay, so they have different body parts. Like I said, I got 5 bags. 5 bags. Okay.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi. Huh?
Can I also see you?
Yeah. You can come see this part. This part is not a surprise. This is for your classroom.
Oh.
Here, I'll open this bag, so if you want to look at 1 or 2, you can look at these. So that was with the first gift card that they gave me. So then with the second gift card that they sent me, I ordered some stickers. I believe this is 144 stickers.
Can I eat the
Don't interrupt me while I'm talking, son, please.
Can I eat it?
Sure, give Nani one too. Okay, so this is, I believe, 144 stickers. And then I also ordered some activity sheets. This is the Christian version of the activity sheets. What does it say? I think it says shine with lots of light. I can't see because the sticker is blocking it. But these are activity sheets in here. I believe it's 24, which is typically the number of kids that you would have in a classroom. I only got 1 pack of these because Tiana's in the 6th grade and I didn't think the 6th graders would be interested in that. I also got a ton of erasers. So they have pumpkins, black cats, ghosts, and a skeleton. I also got the kids a pack of pencils. So each kid will get a pencil. Ordered 2 packs of those. And then I also got, does it have the quantity on here? I want to know how many of these it has. It does not have the quantity listed. Anyway, I got a bunch of spinning tops. So this is enough for both kids' classes. So the only thing that Tiana's class won't get is the activity sheets. But yeah, so.
Oh, the lungs are sticky.
Let me bite it.
It feels like lungs. I don't know. I feel like that's what the lungs would feel like.
Actually, a little good. A little good.
A little?
Yeah.
So it's bad and good, so it's mid?
It's mid. That's his new favorite word. Everything's mid.
It's so good.
Anyway, so I'm going to be putting together their little bags to pass out. Like little goodie bags or whatever. Also, please make me feel better, guys, and tell me that I'm not the only parent that still has not figured out what their kids are going to be for Halloween, let alone bought their costumes. Don't make me feel like I'm a bad mom. Let me know I'm not the only one. But otherwise, we getting ready for Halloween. We getting ready. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So, let me show you. Okay, so this cup is dirty, and I can't find the other one. But anyway, I also got these little plastic cups from Dollar Tree. Every year I always get my kids a Halloween themed cup, and then for Christmas they get a Christmas themed cup, and I usually always get them from Dollar Tree. So these were the last ones that they had left. Like they didn't have, I usually get the kind with like a lid and a straw, the real cute whatever. I couldn't find any, but these are cute too. I actually like these, so got that too. But anyway, that's it so far for Halloween stuff. I have to figure out their costumes. Like I said, the kids were home from school yesterday because it was Indigenous People Day. I refuse to acknowledge Christopher Columbus because why? They also call it Fair Day down here in Texas. They give the kids a day off school. They get a ticket to the fair, and then that's your opportunity to take your kid.
Hello, Internet.
That's your opportunity to take your kid to the fair that day. So we didn't go. But the kids are home, and they were doing like a ton of science experiments and stuff because Tiana has a chemistry set. So her and Fetty were doing a bunch of science experiments. They made a volcano. They cleaned pennies. What else did they do? What else did you do? Oh, they attempted to make candy rock. It didn't come out right, so I poured it down the drain. What else did y'all do? What other experiments did you do yesterday?
We did the volcano. We did the sticky ice. We did
sticky ice.
Coins.
That was another thing.
Okay.
So the other thing that they did was they soaked an egg in vinegar overnight. So they haven't seen it yet because they put it in yesterday before they went to bed. So I put it up so that they couldn't see it yet. So anyway, we're about to do that next. So yeah.
Okay, here's a good one. Okay,
Oh yeah, that's a good one. That looks like a brain. Okay, so this is what the brain is supposed to look like. This one didn't get melted. Anyway, I don't know if you can tell, but this one's not that bad. You can kind of see the texture still a little bit in this one, but this is what the intestines are supposed to look like too. Okay, let's get this party going. So this is just so you can wipe your hands on it because it's going to touch your vinegar.
Oh, why is it mushy?
Is that cool? Don't squeeze it too hard.
What happened?
It's gonna break.
It's like a hard-boiled egg.
Yeah, but it's not boiled. You know what happened? Why it's soft now? What happened? You tell me.
Well, no, I said yes. I wanted to know.
Oh, I was asking if you knew what happened. Okay, so when you soaked it in vinegar overnight, the vinegar ate away at the shell. The shell is what makes the egg hard. And then it took away the outer part of the shell and it left the membrane. So what you're touching right now is the membrane. That's the egg membrane.
It's that like soft stuff like underneath the shell when you like touch it.
And you know what you can do? You can rub it and get the rest of the shell off because it's just kind of soft, like it kind of just broke down right now, but it's not off. It's still on there, so you can rub it. Yeah, and then when you hold it up to the light, yeah.
It's gonna bust.
No, it's not gonna bust. Look. hold it up to the light, it's so loud. When you hold it up to the light, you can kind of see the yolk on the inside. Can you see it? Did you see it move? Like you can kind of see the yolk moving around in there.
Yeah.
Ain't that kind of cool? So you can rub off the rest of the membrane. If it starts to dry out, just put it back in the vinegar and then rub it some more.
Like this? Like the one?
The white part. Like this.
If you bust open.
So you can see where he kind of rubbed away at the shell right there. And you can see straight to the membrane.
Oh no.
Here. You can finish rubbing it off and then I'll show when you're done.
Yes, I can do it myself, really. I can move my things. It kind of looks like the dance one.
Y'all gonna finish getting the shell off?
Yeah.
Okay. This is good enough.
This is
So this is what it looks like after we got, hold on. He's vlogging too. So this is what it looks like after we got the majority of the shell off. This part still has shell on it, probably because that's the part that was sticking out when I put it in the vinegar because it floats. So okay, so the kids are done with their little experiments. Tiana busted the egg. I saw that coming a mile away. She was being way too rough with it. I guess all that egg talk has not made them want a boiled egg for snacks. So they're doing homework. I'm about to make them a boiled egg and then we're going to start doing dinner. Before we start on dinner, I have to clean my kitchen up. I'm in the corner because I'm not trying to show you what my kitchen looks like. Do your homework, sir. Anyway, I gotta clean my kitchen up. And then I'm gonna cook dinner. So I'll come back and get y'all when we get ready to cook. Okay, baby's asleep. Homework is done. I got one kid in the shower. The other kid is watching Bluey. That's Fatty's new obsession. He loves Bluey. I was about to try to be Martha Stewart and fry some chicken for dinner, but I don't know what I was thinking. That fried chicken dinner turned into hamburger helper real quick. So we're doing hamburger helper for dinner because it's getting late. I'm tired and yeah, the baby's gonna be waking up any moment now, so I have to hurry up and get this food done and eat because I'm starving. Like cleaning this kitchen took me out. So but yeah, so I feel like I'm late to the party, but this, the Febreze cozy campfire, so good. What are you doing, sir? Okay, make sure you don't spill it.
No, I never.
You never spill?
I said sometimes.
Okay.
I hope this cookie's not expired.
It's not expired. I just want that milk. Okay, go back in the living room. So y'all know we just did that science experiment with the egg and the vinegar, right? And I was telling them that the vinegar ate the shell off of the egg. So Fatty was like, so what happens if you drink the vinegar? Like if you just drink the vinegar straight, like what happens? Will you get drunk? Excuse me? What? Excuse me, 7-year-old sir? What do you know about getting drunk? Like, let this be a reminder to all the parents out there. Your kids listen to everything. Let me get started. I don't know why I'm wasting time, but I need to get going.